Again.
Finish it, Papa. Wait. Open this one first. Okay, put it inside. Come on. And slowly.
Oh, close it. No, the other one first.
It's not closed. Close it properly, baby.
1,
Close
2.
it properly. You will start from the beginning. Put it inside. Put it inside the box, baby. Put it inside. Put it inside. Put it back. Axel, put it back. Come on, put it back. Baby, put it back inside the box. Come on. Put it inside the box and then close. Slowly. What about the other side? No clap. Why? Why no clap? What is this, baby? What is this? Oh, it should be inside. Remember? Do it again.
Very good. Very good.